Numbers, numbers, numbers. Numbers seems to be dancing very well with some of you. Well, it seems like something you play around with, understand and work with it better. But to some of us, it looks like something that keeps running away from us. It hides from us and we don't make sense out of it. That is what we call dyscalculia. Today, I'm explaining dyscalculia to you in a fun way for you to understand. Dyscalculia is like dyslexia's cousin. This works with math and numbers instead of words. So it's not about being lazy or being bad at it. It's more about a brain-based learning difficulty that doesn't make sense out of numbers and math problems. Here are some common traits. Basic counting struggles. Children with dyscalculia keep counting numbers and skipping the next one. So this is how it goes. They count like 1, 2, 3, then they'll jump to 7, then they'll move to 15, 12, 10. Another issue is that they keep mispronouncing the numbers. So instead of saying 8, they will say 3. Instead of saying 7, they may say 2. That is how they react to numbers. They have issues telling the time. They see a clock and telling the time looks like a rocket sign. They are unable to tell the time and it confuses them. And another issue is trouble with everyday math. Anytime they are solving math problems, they keep having issues with it. You give them money to go and buy something and they forget the change or they take the wrong change back home. And they have problems with directions and sequencing. So they have issues with left direction and right direction, and they don't keep sequence of items. And memory trouble with facts. They keep forgetting the method they use to solve a particular math problem, even though they have been using it over and over again. They will keep forgetting because that is them, and that is how their mind is. Now imagine being in a class where math seems to be moving fast and everybody is getting hold of it, and you are stuck trying to figure out how to solve 1 plus 1. That is the reality of every child with dyscalculia. But here's the thing, dyscalculia doesn't mean that the child isn't smart. In fact, children with dyscalculia are good at certain areas, reading, art, music, and all of that. Just that their brain shines on other things, not on math. And here's where it gets exciting. There are interventions and hacks, and I've got a lot of it to share. I'm going to share that in my next video. But before that, I want you to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification so that when I post, you see it. I am Mefiba, and thanks for watching. Imagine this, your child in the kitchen trying to share 6 oranges amongst 3 people, and then suddenly, math isn't scary anymore. That is the magic of real life practice. But wait, I got 5 more practical hacks that can help your child with dyscalculia. Wait for it. 1. Visuals and manipulatives. Scrap the worksheets for now. Save them for later. Give them beats, toys, even pegs, or try bottle tops. Let them count and move them around. Suddenly, 2 plus 1 isn't just something they have touched, but it's something they understand and they have experienced. 2. Number lines for additions and subtractions. Make it a jumping game. Draw a line on the floor. Let children hop forward for addition and backwards for subtraction. So if a child is solving 3 plus 2, draw a line on the floor. Do the marks on it. Let them stand on 3 and tell them to hop 2 steps forward. They will land on 5. Addition has been done. With the same numbers, 3 minus 2, let them still stand on 3 and hop 2 steps back. They will land on 1. Subtraction has been done. It's that simple. 3. Break them down, a step at a time. Big math problem is equal to big panics. So instead of giving them bigger numbers to solve, start from the smallest. When you are giving them 8 plus 6 and they are struggling with it, break it down. Let them count the 8 pebbles or 8 bottle tops, 6 bottle tops, and put them. If they are still finding it difficult to count it, let them still keep the 8 bottle tops. Let them take 2 from the 6 they have counted and add it to the 8. Let them count them together. You will get 10, right? Good. Let them add the 4 to it and count them. They add it to the 10 and count them together. They are going to get their 14. Problem solved. Do same with subtractions. 4. Learning apps. Children love screens anyway, so sneak math in there. Apps like Khan Academy Kits and Doodle Maths makes math easy and fun. Get them on Play Store and App Store. They are available there. 5. Extra time and praise. Remember, we are celebrating effort, not perfection. Give them time to solve a math problem when you give them, and celebrate their small wins. Their tiny self will do mighty things at the end. Take this. Math isn't a bad idea to them, just that they learn differently. With these hacks, the scariness in math will shrink and math will become fun again. I am Mefiba and thanks for watching.